Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to play Clash Royale on PC. If you like playing games on your mobile phone but you also want to experience it on PC, specifically the Clash Royale, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to simply go to the browser and then you have to search for Google Play download, or you can also search for Google Play Games download. Then you have to go with the link, you will get to this website. You have to click on download beta and then the downloading will start. Once the downloading gets done, then we have to install this launcher. Once we have it, then we will be able to play the games. So once the file get downloaded, click onto it, and after that you have to simply start installing it. The installation will take few minutes. First it will show you that it is downloading. Once this phase gets done, then we will get the installation phase. Once this gets done, then we will be able to use it. Once the installation gets done, then you have to sign up with your Google account, which is your Gmail. So simply click on sign up. Then you have to simply get to your account, and after that you have to simply get agreed to their terms and condition. First it will show you your profile. You can change it if you would like to. Otherwise just simply click on create profile. Then you can read their terms and condition. Once you have read it, get agree, and then you can also get agreed to their other stuff. And after that your account will be created on Google Play Games. It will open like this. Now on the left side you will see this search icon. Click onto it and then you have to search the game by its name, which is the Clash Royale, or you can just simply explore it and you will find it. Once you have find it, make sure it has this green tick for authentication. Then simply open it up and then you have to install it. This may take up to 5 to 6 minutes, and once this downloading and then installing will gets done, then the game will start and you will be able to play the game. But first you have to wait until the downloading and installation gets done. Once the downloading gets done, then it will notify you at the bottom right that the game has been downloaded. Then you will be able to play it. Click onto this play option. It will just take a while into the loading. Then this interface will open. First you have to add your age and then click on OK, and after that get agreed to their terms and condition, and you're good to go to play the game. So that's how you can play Clash Royale on PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.